this is too that maintenance is key. Some of the things that you want to do is upgrade your hoses to the steel braid. They generally come when you get like a brand new washer. They'll just put in the rubber ones. And they work fine for a while, but over time, they'll start to wear down. And that's where we end up with a lot of floods. Like most of our floods, I'd say, come from either the dishwasher or the washing machine, because there's always water sitting there ready to go. I'm sure some of our insurance guys can probably attest to that as well. One of the things also that you may want to consider doing is changing all of your light bulbs into the place into an LED. They generally last a really, really long time. And this is always one of those like things that kind of causes friction at the end of a tenancy. Some tenants will just leave light bulbs dead and kind of screw it for the next guy kind of thing, right? This way, if you have the LEDs already done, yes, you get to outlay a little bit more at the start, but you won't have any friction because they just don't die. That also means like fixing the little things. As I mentioned before about keeping your paint and whatnot up to date. When you're doing your checks on your property, which you should be doing throughout the tenancy, is to ask them, like, are there little annoying ass things that bug them, squeaky hinges or loose doorknob type of thing. The benefit of that as well is that they'll see that you do still actually care. And so they'll feel comfortable, keeping track of things and a lot of times maintain it themselves just so that they don't have to have you keep on coming over. So do make sure you check in on the little things and then fix them, as well as think about upgrading things to like a commercial grade flooring. Because if you have that stronger flooring, which is again is a little bit more expensive, it lasts longer. And so you don't have to worry about it being damaged and so on and so forth. So even if it is 10 years old, you still can't damage it. If you got commercial grade laminate, it takes a pretty good beating. So it might be something to consider if you're upgrading your flooring, to just upgrade it to the next level, basically.